Hello and welcome to TVC News at this hour. It's the 14th day of the resumed resident doctor strike, and it seems the industrial action across the country has not been strictly observed in some state-owned general hospitals in Taraba State. Patients have been attended to by health personnel, including consultants, but the same could not be said for the Federal Medical Center and Specialist Hospitals Jalingo, where the strike has been strictly adhered to. Correspondent Olabi Adenusi filed in this report.
The residents of the rural communities in Taraba State are not feeling the impact of the strike embarked upon by the medical doctors across the country. The consultants and medical personnel were seen going about their legitimate duties when TVC News crew visited Gembu, Takum and Wukari General Hospitals. The medical personnel and patients shared their views with TVC News.
As you can see, I have about 4 doctors here, 1 dental surgeon, and then there is, that's including myself, we are 5, okay? And the doctors have been actually very cooperative here, and they have not gone on strike. They are actually giving some epileptic to say, okay? Services here, because this is a semi-urban thereabout areas, and so we are not purely on strike anyway. Let me put it that way.
Since I was admitted in the hospital, the doctor has been attended to me every day.
We came into the hospital, the doctor attended to us, and all the time they checked us.
It was a different story at the Specialist Hospital and Federal Medical Center in Jalingo, the capital of Taraba. Patients in these hospitals are now moving out to private hospitals where they can get proper Medicare. There is partial compliance with skeletal services offered by the management of the hospitals.
When I drove in and I saw a patient on oxygen going out of the hospital, I felt so bad. Yes, patients are going. It is not the fault of the doctor. Just as I say, before you go to work, you have to eat. If you are not well, you can't work.
Taraba State has a deficit of medical personnel, and the strike is invariably affecting the major medical operations carried out at the Specialist Hospital and Federal Medical Center, Jalingo.